Session 16. Scope of variables. Scope of variable refers to accessibility of a variable. That is, when you define a variable in a program, which part of the program can access the variable. That is called as accessibility of a variable. There are two types of scopes in Python, local scope and global scope. A variable defined within a function has local scope. A variable defined outside the function has global scope. So in this program, the variable g is defined outside the function definition. So variable g has global scope as it is defined outside the function. The variable L is defined within the function. So variable L has local scope as it is defined within the function. So note that the global variable can be accessed within the function and outside the function. Now what about the local variable? When you access the local variable outside the function, Python throws error. Local variable cannot be accessed outside the function. You get a name error. Name L is not defined. So in this example, g is a global variable. So within the function, I am giving the statement g is equal to g plus 5. That is, I am trying to modify the global variable. Modifying global variable g within the function throws error. Unbound local error, local variable g referenced before assignment. So what do you understand from this? We cannot modify a global variable within the function, but we can access the global variable. Suppose the programmer wants to modify. He can do that by using the global keyword. So global g. After that, you can modify g is equal to g plus 5. So use global keyword before modifying a global variable within the function. Global and local variable has same name. So in this example, there is a global variable a whose value is 10, and there is a local variable also with same name a whose value is 20. Global variable a having global scope. So a is assigned the value 10. It is a global variable. And the variable within the function, which is a local variable, is having local scope. It is assigned the value 20. Local variable a. So what happens if you modify the variable outside the function? A is equal to a plus 5. So actually you are modifying the global variable, but it does not affect the local variable a. So when we say a is equal to a plus 5, value of the global variable 10 is modified to 15. But the local variable, its value remains intact or same. So from this we understand that the local and global variables are independent of each other. Rules for local variable. A variable defined within a function is called local variable and has local scope. A variable with local scope can be accessed only within the function or block in which it is defined. A variable with local scope cannot be accessed outside the function. The formal parameters in a function definition are also local to that function. Rules for global variables. A variable defined outside the function is called global variable and has global scope. A variable with global scope can be accessed both inside and outside the function. A variable with global scope can be modified within the function using global keyword. That's all for today. Thank you.